Unless you've been living under a rock, you've likely heard that plant-forward diets are not only incredible for human health, but planetary health as well. Plant-forward eating patterns are exactly as they sound: a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, and beans. For some, this is a plant-exclusive diet, but it does not have to be. The science is really clear that a predominant plant-based approach is best for overall health, but again, that doesn't mean it has to be plant-exclusive. The good news is that all forms of plant-based eating, vegetarian, vegan, flexitarian, goat cheese on the weekenditarian, are all healthier eating patterns than an omnivore standard American diet. Plants contain fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, chlorophyll, and healthy fatty acids. It's no wonder then that eating more of these foods is going to have long-lasting health impacts. A 2020 review published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that a whole food plant-based diet isn't just powerful in reducing risk of the leading chronic diseases in the United States, but also has an impact on skin aging. A plant-based diet has also been demonstrated to lengthen telomeres and reverse the aging process of DNA. It's this mechanism that helps to play a role in both chronic disease prevention and skin aging. A plant-based diet is also packed with antioxidants, especially things like vitamin E, vitamin C, coenzyme Q10, and chlorophyll. A diet that is rich in these nutrients has been shown to prevent skin wrinkles, improve skin hydration and elasticity, and increase skin firmness. Plant foods are also rich in fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol levels and improve gut health. Now, certain plant fibers, known as prebiotics, produce substances called short-chain fatty acids, which are fermented by the gut. These short-chain fatty acids help to improve digestion, may decrease cancer risk, and provide fuel for colonocytes, which help to maintain a healthier gut barrier to pathogens that may cause illness. All of these reasons for consuming more plants more often are of course great for personal health, but what about planetary health? In a nutshell, the way that we are currently growing food just is not sustainable, especially for a population that's expected to swell to 9 billion by 2050. The most recent statistics from the World Resource Institute indicate that it takes about 9 calories to feed a chicken to get 1 calorie out. And chicken is by far the most efficient animal when it comes to this conversion. That means 9 times more land, 9 times more water, 9 times more pesticides and herbicides than just eating the plant to begin with. That number, of course, does not take into effect all of the energy and the resources that it takes to ship the crops to the feed mill, to operate the feed mill, to operate the factory farm, shipping the animals to a slaughterhouse, and then operating that. In all, it is a very inefficient process, especially when the health benefits of reducing animal-based foods and increasing plant-based ones are so well documented in the literature. The nonpartisan Eat Lancet report that was released in 2019 made this clear by their summary statement, which says that food is the single strongest lever to optimize human health and environmental sustainability. Their recommendations are for a plant-predominant focus for both, drastically cutting down meat so red meat is only consumed about once a month, and an increased focus on healthy plant-based foods and systemic production changes to help reduce food waste. As you can see, there are a number of benefits in shifting the diet. If you're already eating this way, great. If you're not and are plant curious, well, you can start by making a few simple swaps. Almond, oat, or soy milk for cow's milk, replacing refined grain products with whole grain ones, adding in beans and lentil-based dishes instead of chicken, pork, or beef ones, and committing to reducing your intake of animal-based foods.